Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Southside Businessmen's group car show at the USS Orleck in Downtown Jacksonville. And this is Car Show Cam. This is a good little show. About 36 cars were there. It was put on by the Sunshine State Chevelle, so there were a lot of Chevelles there of all years. So it was a good show. We took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
They're still parking.
Looks like a good size one today. Unlike the one last time.
Where you gonna park?
I can park by that Jeep over there.
Okay.
Yeah, there's old what's his name from the newspaper.
Who? Where?
The guy in the blue polo shirt there.
Oh.
The little black Saab is his.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'll be done here in about an hour. There's one of them electric Volkswagen buses now.
Truck and trailer for 40. Just saying. Or if you want to buy into the door prize tickets, they are 3 for $5. Here's another one by John Fogarty.
About 30 something. I think the most interesting one is the C60 that cruised in. I think that was the one that caught my attention the most. But anyway, we're gonna head on up to Savannah to check out that open car show with the Mustang Club up there.
I think there was 30 at least.
At least 30 cars.
Yeah.
30, 36, something like that. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna take the 2-hour trip up to Savannah, see what we see. We're gonna take you along on that one too. So we'll see you when we get there, guys.
Feel like they were smart. They were parked under the trees. Of course, then they had to walk further, but not that much.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Southside Businessmen's Club Car Show at the USS Orleck. We enjoyed our time at the show. We hope you guys enjoyed taking this video of us being at the show and taking you out with us. So, if you did enjoy it, don't forget to drop us a like, comment, subscribe, share it around to all your friends. Share it to your car people and non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. Everybody likes cool cars, right? Anyway, we're trying to get to 500 subscribers, and any help you guys would be able to give on that would be great. And like I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We'll keep going out to the car shows, and we'll take you along with us. So stay tuned for the next one.